guys, we're back again with a short tutorial of PeerBee's Teams features. Just as for every other organization, teams are the backbone of PeerBee. Almost every feature in PeerBee relies on team selection. So let's talk about this important feature and how you can make use of teams in PeerBee. The very first thing we should know is how to create your first team. For that, you may click on Create a Team button on the top right. Here, we click on Everyone. This asks us the option of which department we want to create the team in. We can have a company-wide team if we select all, or we can departmentalize the team by choosing the department we want to create it in. Then we add the name and describe the purpose of the team. After that, we have 4 access options for the teams. Public allows members from any network to see the team, members and their posts. The private option allows other network members to see the team but not access the post. Then there is the hidden option, where only members of the team can see the team and the post. And lastly, we have external. Here, we can add external guests and members to the team. These external members are only able to see the content of this particular team, but not of any other. We may add an image by clicking here and selecting the image. Then we click Next. Here, we select the members we want to add in the team and press Next. Then finally, we decide whether we want a group chat auto-generated once the team is created. We can do the same for a task list by clicking here. We can enable and disable participation and posts in the team as well. Once done, we can press Create and the team will be created. Now, let's take a look at how we can make use of this Teams feature exactly. What happens when we want to post something on the feed? When we click here on Write Something, we can see an option right here. We may click and choose the team we want to post this in. Only the members of that team are able to see the post in that case. The second way we can use the theme features in the feed is to curate the feed according to teams. Say we want to see the posts on the feed only by the business team. We will click on the filter here and select the team we want to see the posts of. The whole feed is curated accordingly. Then we can see this auto-generated post of team previews on the feed. This is done to update the team members of the progress being made by the team throughout the day. You may check out the feeds video where we go into detail of how each post on the feed is created. Now, let's move on to using teams in projects. When we create a new project, the privacy option prompts us to choose the team we want to create the project in. Selecting the company name makes the project available for the whole company. However, we can choose the teams we want to create the project in as well by clicking on them. When we click on Teams right next to Project, we are able to see the teams we have access to. Clicking on a certain team brings us to the page where we can see the workload of the team easily, the total number of tasks to be done, and the ones in progress or completed. The same team selection feature is used in task management as well, where each task can be created in a specific team. The procedure is same as it is with choosing a team in the project. Lastly, by accessing teams, we are able to see the teams that are public and private. Clicking on a team here, which we have access to, lets us access and see exactly what has been happening in that team once we start scrolling. We may also look at the members in the team by clicking on View Members right here. Teams are an integral part of PeerBee, and we use the Teams feature in almost every aspect of PeerBee. Be sure to check out our other resources to learn more and make the best use of PeerBee.